reaction to the ruling is being celebrated with joy by gay advocates.
For me, this decision means equal protection under the law, which means an equal opportunity to marry the person that I love, the person that I choose, the person that I want to spend my life with.
But for supporters of Proposition 8, the feeling is somewhere between disappointment and disdain.
Marriage is a state jurisdiction. The voters have said twice now, keep marriage only for a man and a woman.
In his 136-page ruling, federal Judge Vaughn Walker, a Republican appointee, shot down the merits of Proposition 8, saying the voter-approved ban on same-sex marriages served no legitimate purpose and is rooted in unfounded stereotypes and prejudices. He also wrote, rather than being different, same-sex and opposite-sex unions are, for all purposes relevant to California law, exactly the same. The judge's decision stemmed from a 13-day trial that examined whether the Constitution prevents states from denying same-sex couples the right to marry. However, Walker, who is gay himself, didn't give supporters of gay marriage a total victory.
Gonna get married.
The song seems fitting, but it's not true. Judge Walker put a temporary hold on his own decision, meaning no marriage licenses can be issued to gay couples, perhaps through the entire appeals process. For now, the ruling only affects California, but an appeal will take the case to the left-leaning Ninth Circuit with jurisdiction over 9 states. Gay activists are vowing to keep fighting.
We still have work to do, right?
Meanwhile, those who voted for Prop 8 are questioning the value of their vote.
I do feel like I live in a dictatorship now, that my vote doesn't count. My vote basically didn't matter. Why did I go out to the polls and vote for Prop 8 when one unelected judge can just overturn that?
But supporters of traditional marriage are optimistic about their chances, arguing this case is ultimately about families and raising children with a mother and father.
I'm quite confident that as serious as the threat from gay marriage is, it is not going to triumph in the end, because political regimes that base themselves on lies about human nature cannot last in the end.
Cases involving traditional versus same-sex marriage likely will wind up at the Supreme Court, where the 9 justices on the High Court will ultimately weigh in on the national debate. If they decide to uphold Walker's decision, it means the ruling would trump 31 state bans on same-sex marriage, in which all 31 states have voted to protect traditional marriage. John Jessup, CBN News, Washington.